sampling distribution of means without replacement. Now question is given: a finite population consists of the number 2, 4, 6, 8. Consider all samples of size 2 drawn without replacement. Now we find one. List all possible samples and their sample means. Second point, we find construct the sampling distribution of the sample means. Now third point, compute the mean and variance of the sampling distribution. Fourth point, compare the mean of the sampling distribution with the population mean. First, you understand all questions. Here is given sampling size of 2 drawn without replacement. Now, we start on solution. Solution. Step 1. Population is given 2, 4, 6, 8. Number of elements n equal to 4. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of elements is 4. First point, all possible samples of size 2 without replacement. Total sample without replacement. You know, total number is given 4 and given 2 size. It means you write 2. So now we use binomial theorem formula n factorial r factorial n minus r factorial. It means then we simplify these values, we get 6. Solve step by steps. Sample 2 comma 4. Now we get mean. 2 plus 4 divide by 2, we get 3. Second 2 comma 6. It means 2 plus 6 divide by 2, we get 4. And 2 plus 8 divide by 2, we get 5. Here is given 4. 4 plus 6 divide by 2, we get 5. Same 4 comma 8 divide by 2, get 6. 6 comma 8 means 6 plus 8 divide by 2, we get 7. You can see here this is sample and this is a mean. Second point, sampling distribution of sample mean. Sample mean, you can see here, here is given 3, frequency is 1. It means 3 is only 1 times. Now 4, 4 is 1 times and 5 is frequency is 2 and 6 frequency is 1 and 7 is only 1. So a sampling distribution is, you now x equal to 3. It means the value of x is 3 equal to 1 divided by 6. We add all values. It means the total values is 6. Then 1 divided by 6. Same process. P mean of x equal to 4. You can see here 4. What is the value of frequency? 1. 1 divided by 6. Now we get the x equal to 5. It means this is 5. What we get? 5 means 2. 2 divided by 6. You can see here. We write 2 divided by 6. Now px equal to 6. After 5, you get 6. 6 equal to 1. 1 divided by 6. You write here. Same process mean of e mean x equal to 7. 7 is 1. 1 divided by 6. You write here. Mean and variance of sampling distribution. Mean of sample means summation of mean x equal to, you know the formula, first value is 3 and we write px 1 upon 6. This dot is shown multiplication plus sign. Now second point is 4. The probability of 4 1 upon 6, because here is given summation rules formula. You write 5 multiplied by 2 upon 6. The value of 5 probability 2 upon 6. Now plus sign, after 5 the number is 6. The probability is 1 upon 6. After 6 you now then you write 7 multiply by probability 1 upon 6. You write each value in step by step. Now you can see here all the denominator is 6. Then you get common value 6. 3 ones are 3, you write here. 4 multiplied by 1, you write here. 5 multiplied by 2, 10, you write here. And plus sign, same you write here. 6 multiplied by 1, you write here 6. And plus sign, 7 multiplied by 1, and 7. After these values, we add all values. Sum get 30 and divide by 6, we get 5. This is mean of sample means. Now, variance of sample means. You know the formula of variance mean of x equal to summation mean x minus 5 square multiply px, because we have get the value is 5. According to this formula, we put in all values. The first value is 3. You know the value of x mean is 3. According to minus sign, you write same. And 5 is given, you write same. Square is given, you write same. This dot for multiplications and px. It means the value of 3 probability 1 upon 6. According to summation, you write plus sign. After 3, the second number is 4, then minus sign 5 according to formula. Square you write here. This dot show is multiplications and the value of 4 you get 1 upon 6. According to summation side, you write plus sign. If you write 4, 3, 4, then third number is 5. And minus 5 square, you write here. Multiplication sign, you can multiply px. It means we get the probability 2 upon 6. According to summation, you write plus sign. After 5, 6 is given and 1 upon 6 probability. Then plus sign 7 according to this formula square multiply the value of 7 1 upon 6. You write step by step clearly. Then you simplify. You now 3 minus 5, it means minus 2. Here is given square. Minus 2 multiplied by minus 2, we get plus 4. Dot multiplication is given 1 upon 6, you write here. Plus sign, you write here. 4 minus 5 minus 1. Because here is given square. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, we get plus 1. This dot is multiplication is given. Now 1 upon 6, you write same. Plus sign, you write same. 5 minus 5, you get 0. It means 0 multiplied by these numbers, all values will be 0. Now you can write in step by step. 5 minus 5, we get 0. Here is given multiplication sign, you write here. And 2 upon 6, you write same. Plus sign, you write here. 6 minus 5, we get 1. 1 square means 1. This dot is show is the multiplications. 1 upon 6, if you write 1 upon 6, plus sign is given, you write plus sign. 7 minus 5, it means plus 2. Plus 2 multiplied by power 2. It means 2 multiplied by 2. It means 2 to the 4. Dot is multiplications. 1 upon 6, you write here. Now we simplify. You can see here all values. The denominator is 6. Then you can write here denominator 6 in a 1 times. 4 multiplied by 1, you write here. Plus sign, plus sign. 1 multiplied by 1 is a 1. Plus sign, you write here. This 0 multiplied by this number, all numbers will be 0. It means 0 multiplied by 2, we get 0. Plus sign, you write here. 1 multiplied by 1, you write here. And plus sign, you write here. 4 multiplied by 1, 4. Then we add all numbers, you can see here. 4 plus 4, 8, 9 and 10. You write 10. Denominator is 6. 10 divided by 6, we get 1.67. This is a variance of sample mean according to this formula. Now, fourth point, population mean. You know, mu equal to, we write here all values. 4, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 divide by 4. Add all values 20 and divide by 4. You know what is 4? Numbers of quantity 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is given 4 quantity, then we divide by 4. If here is given 5 quantity, then we divide by 5. Now 20 divided by 4, we get 5. Means of sampling distribution equal to population mean. Now you can see your final answer. All samples. You can see here we have get all values. Second point, sampling distribution. You know according to 3 what we get values, you write here all values. Now third point, mean equal to 5 and variance is 1.67. Now fourth point, mean of sampling distribution equals the population mean equal to 5. Okay, you solve all step by step these questions and practice all questions. Okay, take care.